Oh, check this out. Mercedes is coming for Elon. You already knew this, but this is an even better look at their new massive 55-inch screen.
Ooh.
55-inch screen in the car. Jeez. That thing is crazy. This is a screen that spans. Now, we saw this because I remember at the live event, but were they teasing it? Like, did we have some new images here? This is just a better look.
Oh, yeah.
This is an entire sheet of glass. And it's kind of a bit deceiving calling it a 55-inch display because it's really 3 displays.
Yeah.
But
they're
it's
just all blended together.
Under one final finishing sheet of presumably glass, which that's a pretty impressive sheet of glass on its own. Touch capable. So you have this one large display above where the steering wheel sits. You can likely configure this to show different, it has a variety of characteristics it can display, but likely speed and things like this. And then in the center, you have this really nice looking navigation, which blends into everything else, so including your controls for, your climate, multimedia, all that's in the center. And then the passenger gets their very own version of that. This car over here has something like that above the glove box so that person can control the radio, climate, things like this, if you happen to have a passenger. But the way that they laid this in here with the shapes and the curves and the lighting, like that lighting underneath there, it all blends together over here. And you can select this. You can also have like the car figure out the whole mood for you.
Yeah, very cool.
And I just want to explain something to you.
Okay.
Since I brought the volume up earlier and increased the stress level.
It's your sultry voice.
That's right. Now we're about to take it down into relaxation mode. So this car, it has something in it, which is the Energizing Coach, part of the Energizing Comfort programs, which include freshness, warmth, and vitality, or joy, depending on the situation and the individual. If the Mercedes-Benz Vivo Active 3 smartwatch, the Mercedes-Benz Venue smartwatch, or another compatible Garmin wearable is linked to the vehicle, personal values such as stress level or sleep quality optimize the precision of the recommendation for the mood. And then, here's what you're going to get. Forest Glade can help to escape the noisy daily routine and boost concentration. Bird song, rustling leaves, and a gentle breeze create a feel-good ambience. The program is rounded off by warm music soundscapes and subtle fragrancing.
Really?
It's going to smell good.
Can they do that?
Yeah, they can do that. There goes the volume again.
Yeah.
What you mean how? It has these modules in it and it's...
Do you need to add like a fragrance?
No. Well, yes, but it's going to be installed in a vehicle.
Oh.
I don't know. Maybe you use it all the time. You have to top it up. But you don't need...
constant new car smell?
Because you don't need too much fragrance to really fill the cockpit. It's coming through the... Otis needs some of that fragrance right now. Listen to this next one, Sounds of the Sea. A positive and relaxing effect through the combination of soft music soundscapes, wave sounds, and seagull sounds. Warms and cools at the same time with the soothingly slow rhythm of the ocean waves combined with blasts of air from the air conditioning system. Blasts of air in conjunction with the waves.
Right.
Come on, Will.
And the sea smell?
Come on, Will.
Yeah.
Or what about summer rain, serving as an acoustic oasis in noisy traffic, cooling and calming with sounds of raindrops on leafy canopies, distant thunder, pattering rain, and ambient music. That's it, man. It reads your smartwatch like Willie Doo's stressed, and it figures you out, man. Next thing you know, you arrive at work and you're ready to go, man. You're recharged.
Sounds like a good time.
I am going to have to, get them to send us this thing.
Cool. All right.
EQS. The many modes. I want to smell what that's all about.
Yeah.